So that's about all you need, just a drop of each. And then I've got some water on the plate. And I've got a series of brushes that I will be using. These are flat brushes. I've also got an angled brush. And I've got a filbert. So I'm using a series of brushes just to help me with the blending. I've also got a Sharpie. This is a fine point Sharpie. And I'm going to use a bucket to give me the, let me turn this around, just the dimensions that I need to help me draw that perfect circle. So let's do this. I'm just following the contour of the bucket. And that's all that I want that for. I can put the Sharpie away now. So that's where I want my bubble. Now I'm going to start with the shading and the blending. On the top half, this will be my top half. For you, it looks like the bottom. I'm going to add the black color to the inside. And then I'm going to add some of the black color to the bottom lower half underneath the line that I've just drawn under the circle. And this is my shadow. And then on the inside, on the bottom half on the inside, I will add the white color. So we'll have the dark shade at the top, the lighter shade at the bottom on the inside of the circle, and then we'll have the dark shade at the bottom on the outside of the circle, and that will be our shadow. And then later on we'll add the bubble highlights at the top as well. So let me do that. let me show you the final result. I love this flip cup now much better than I did when I just started. I think this water drop just adds such a different dimension and such interest to an ordinary flip cup. Don't you think that's just gorgeous? I think it's beautiful. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please take care and stay well. Bye for now.